Let's see how to create and use envelopes. 1. Open an existing document that contains the address you want to use on your envelope. 2. Highlight the address and copy it to the clipboard by pressing Ctrl C. 3. Create a new document. 4. Display the Mailings tab of the ribbon. 5. Click Envelopes in the Create group. Word displays the envelopes and labels dialog box. 6. Make sure the Envelopes tab is selected. 7. Place the insertion point in the delivery address area. 8. Press Ctrl plus V to paste the address you copied in step 2. 9. Using the Options button, you can change the orientation and formatting. 10. Click on the Add to Document button. Your envelope is ready and it can be saved and printed. Labels. In the Mailings tab, the Labels features can also be found. There are two types of labels you can print. Pages of labels containing the same address, or pages of labels where each label contains a different address. Labels with the same address. Return address labels. 1. Open Word and click Mailings on the menu line. Then click Labels on the ribbon. 2. In the Print section of the Labels window, not the Print button at the bottom, choose Full Page of the same labels. 3. Click the Options button at the bottom of the window. Select the product number from the list and click OK. 4. On the Labels window, type the address in the address box. To change font properties, highlight the address, right-click and click Font. Make your changes and click OK. 5. Still on the Labels window, click the New Document button at the bottom. A Word document will appear containing the labels. Your labels with the same address are ready and it can be saved and printed. Labels with different addresses or mailing labels. First, we create the list of different addresses. So open a new blank document and click Mailings on the menu line. 1. Enter few addresses for address list. 2. Print OK and save the list to desktop. 3. Start Mail Merge from the ribbon and click Labels. 4. Click Select Recipients and choose Use Existing List and select the address file which you have prepared in step 4. Click Open button. Now type 2 in the label and click on Mailing tab. Insert Merge Fields title. Repeat this step to insert other fields like first name, last name. Now copy these inserted fields to other labels. Finally, your window should be as below. 5. Now click on Preview Results button. Your labels with different addresses are ready. Save this document. Let's recall. Mail Merge is a very important tool which allows you to create form letters, mailing labels, and envelopes by linking a main document to a set of data or data source. The mail document is linked to the data source by common fields of data called merge fields. The data source is where the fields of information on each parent receiving the letter are located. The data source would contain names, addresses, phone numbers, etc. When you are performing a mail merge, you will need a word and a recipient list. If you are using mail merge with an existing letter, make sure the file is open. You can use the left and right scroll arrows to view each document. In the Mailings tab, the Envelopes and Labels feature can be found at the same place. There are two types of label you can print: pages of labels containing the same address, or pages of labels where each label contains a different address. Let's see how to